गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Hey Ronak, I'm really gonna miss you so much. The amount of technical excellence, your camaraderie, the friendship, the extreme fun attitude. It's going to be a real miss in our office meetings whenever we get back to normal. It's been one heck of a ride, dude. I really cannot get out of my mind that one epic night we had with the CIO in Wipro, trying to do all crazy things and then bagging the order within a minute, right? So crazy times. Hey, but man, I'm sure you're going to rock wherever you're going to go and grow to great heights. Have a wonderful journey ahead, buddy.
Whenever you're doing any WebEx sessions or webinars or anything with the customer interaction, आपका जो balance between the sales and technical वाला चीज़ that is unmatchable and we miss that big time. And उससे भी जो prep call होते थे उसके हिसाब से we always used to discuss with and used to discuss in detail like क्या है situation, क्या है कैसा है and how shall we position it. And we always used to have a very balance between the sales and technical. Even though आप बहुत deep जाते थे technical पे, still you used to understand the sales portion of it and उसके हिसाब से आप balance करके position करते थे and you used to advise us as well like ये situation के लिए, ये account के लिए, ये opportunity और ये practice के लिए ऐसे approach करेंगे and those inputs we miss big time. Like बहुत miss करेंगे वो.
Ronak bhai, the wall and the great after party boy of our team. Enjoyed working every moment with you.
There are some people who do their job very well. There are some people who do their jobs exceptionally well. But you are one of them who will do not only do your job, but do other job also exceptionally well. That's an art that I've learned from you, or at least trying to learn from you.
Honestly speaking, you are the best SE that I ever worked with. And while the team calls me the king of embeds, you know, that title should actually be given to you, because each and every embed opportunity and deal that has come my way, it was always you who just jumped onto it, worked with so many people, worked through so many challenges, created so many champions and ensured that I am successful.
It's very difficult to explain how important you are or how integral you are to the team. It's amazing kind of interacting with you, understanding the nitty-gritties, the technicalities and all the other insights that you provided. There's never been a dull moment with you, whether it's meetings or general chit-chat or random talks. It's always been insightful, entertaining, and I'm certainly going to miss that.
अब है जो है वो समा है तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी।
मोहंती साहब, बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हूँ मैं कि मुझे आप जैसा गुरु, आप जैसा मेंटोर मिला। आपके सानिध्य में, आपके साथ रहकर बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। बहुत सुंदर समय आपके साथ बिताया। आशा करता हूँ कि आप जहाँ भी जाएंगे जीवन में, खूब नाम, खूब तरक्की, खूब ऐश आपके साथ हमेशा अटैच्ड रहे। आप इररिप्लेसेबल हो सर, एटलीस्ट हमारे दिलों से तो हो। और कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा मन भारी है, पर आई नो नियति ऐसी ही है कि सबको शायद आगे बढ़ना है, सबको आगे बढ़ते रहना है। आपके साथ बिताया हुआ हर एक मोमेंट शायद मुझे याद होगा।
तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी।
Your intensity of doing back-to-back session
and demo presentations, drinking sessions again in the night, and finishing at 2 every time is exceptional. And we are going to miss you big time. You have great attitude, man. Look forward to working with you, hopefully sometime in near future. And keep in touch. Keep sending those late night weird messages, because that will make me feel that everything is good and normal at your end.
ऐसी जीत छुप छुपाए
रौनक मोहंती, मैं क्या बोलूं आपके बारे में. I do not know where to start, where to end. I've known you for a little over 5 years now. तो मैं इसको यूलॉजी बोलूं, फ्रेंड के साथ जो टाइम बिताया उसका रिमेम्बरेंस बोलूं. और I know for a fact that somewhere down the line we will again cross each other's path at some point or the other. We always talk about culture, we always talk about the team, we always talk about the ethos and all that this team defines, and that's probably one of the primary reasons that we have delivered what we have delivered over the last 2.5-3 years or more, right? And I think I would owe that a lot to you and what you've done to this team, how you've onboarded people, how you onboarded either your own teammates or people across the pond, Robs, Andrews, Anshul Jain, Swati Kumar Nair's of the world. It's been just a pleasure knowing you, right? So that's something that I definitely wanted to call out, saying you are one of those primary reasons why the team is what it is. I can only wish you all the best. You deserve all that you've achieved so far in your life. तू सेल्स इंजीनियर बनने के लिए ही पैदा हुआ है और एपडायनामिक्स में तूने सेल्स इंजीनियर बन के दिखाया. अभी वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट ऐसी बना के दिखा, एंड आई विल बी सुपर प्राउड ऑफ यू दैट डे.
सहनी हमें सजा है हमें.
Thank you for your blessings. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for being such a beautiful mentor. Thank you for binding us all together. Thank you a lot, sir. I give you the best possible wishes that I have for your future endeavors, and I wish you a great luck. Bye, sir.
Wish you all the best.
All the very best for your new chapter.
All the best for your future endeavors.
Be yourself. Good luck.
Wishing you all the best for your future.
Have a great time, buddy. Good luck.
All the best. Have fun.